How to insert and modify shapes in Word. This tutorial shows you how to add shapes and customize them to fit your document. First, open Word. Open the document you want to add a shape to. After that, click Insert at the top. From there, click Shapes. At this point, select the shape you want, like a rectangle, arrow, or circle. In the next step, click and drag on your document to draw it. Following this, click the shape once to select it. Then click Shape Format. Once done, click Shape Fill to change its color. From here, click Shape Outline to adjust the border color or thickness. At this stage, drag any corner handle to resize the shape proportionally. Keep in mind, holding Shift while dragging a corner keeps the shape's proportions locked so it doesn't stretch unevenly. Finally, right-click the shape and click Add Text if you want to type directly inside it. And that's it. If this guide helped you insert and modify shapes in Word, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.